If your powerful V8 suddenly feels like a shaky four-cylinder, and your fuel economy takes a massive hit out of nowhere, you might be staring at a P3451 code involving your number 7-cylinder deactivation system. This setup is designed to save you money by effectively turning off cylinders when you are just cruising. But when the engine control module detects a low-voltage signal in the control circuit for cylinder 7, it can shut down the fuel injector entirely to protect the engine, leaving you with a very noticeable misfire. This whole system relies heavily on oil pressure to move the special lifters that deactivate the valves. So the very first thing you need to do is check your oil level and make sure it is topped off with the exact weight recommended by the manufacturer, because dirty or low oil is the #1 killer of these solenoids. You want to look closely at the wiring harness near the intake manifold for any signs of rodents chewing on the wires or heat damage from the engine block that could be causing a short to ground. If the oil is clean and the wires look solid, you will need to use a digital multimeter to check the resistance of the deactivation solenoid itself. A reading of 0 ohms or no continuity means the internal coil is fried, and it is time for a replacement. Do not make the common mistake of replacing the solenoid right away without checking if an oil passage is clogged or if the engine control module has a software glitch, as a simple oil change and a code reset can sometimes clear the whole problem if it was just a temporary pressure drop.